The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring. Weighing in at 323 pounds, the WWE World Heavyweight Champion, Kane!
Oh, I can't wait to see this one. The fans have been demanding this one-on-one contest, and here it is.
Representing the tough guys, from Moscow, Russia, weighing in at 220 pounds, the WWE Universal Champion, Big Bad Wolf.
You know, sometimes a superstar just has that look in his eye, and this is one of those times.
These two have been waiting for this one for quite some time, and to be honest, so have I.
You can feel the electricity running through this arena. This is going to be some battle, one-on-one, mano-a-mano.
Don't be surprised at all if these guys attempt to one-up each other in this one.
Mano-a-mano. One fall will decide it.
And hey, I still can't believe they pay me for this. Kane making his statement as we speak.
Well, what's your take right now on Kane? As we get underway, what can the WWE Universe expect from this guy?
Kane is like a fine wine, Michael. He keeps getting better with age. And with that in mind, I'm glad it's not me in the ring with him tonight.
Well, one thing's for certain. That championship isn't going anywhere tonight, regardless of the outcome of this match.
This kind of offense he's known for.
Yeah, you're right about that. He's made a name for himself with this.
Anytime Kane enters the squared circle, things just take on a different level. Between his size and his sheer physical presence, when he steps over that top rope and fire shoots from those ring posts, intimidating doesn't even begin to describe it.
Terrifying might be a better word for it, Michael, but you're right about his size. At 7 feet, 300+ pounds, he's no munchkin. But that's just a minor part of what makes the Devil's favorite demon such a threat. His power and his cruelty complete the picture.
Look out. He's got his sights set on that neck region.
And talking about what makes Kane the monster he is, we can't leave out the fact that the man is almost impervious to pain. I mean, he is a creature that could have a bomb dropped on him and just keep coming forward.
That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt tomorrow.
That may be felt for a lifetime. Kane is really taking control.
Perhaps looking to take the action to the outside here.
Perhaps. It's happening, Cole, right before your very eyes.
I think we've summed up the Big Red Monster pretty well. Size, power, toughness, and an absolutely merciless attitude. I say that's a pretty good formula for success in WWE.
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
Oh, did you see that? I have a funny feeling that this is going to turn into a whooping.
He's starting to stagger a bit, but he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do to rebound.
If it's me, I'm focusing my attention on winning the match inside the ring. All this time on the outside doesn't appear to be doing him any good.
I think a lot of people would agree with that assessment, John. For his sake, I hope there's a lot more left in the tank. Nice. Let's do this inside the ring.
Putting it all on the line.
That's the way it should be. I think everyone knows how that must feel.
Oh, what a brutal shot.
In all my years commentating in WWE, I don't think I've ever seen an audience frozen with fear like when Kane makes his way to the ring. The organ music, the fire and brimstone, the destruction. I mean, Kane sends chills through everybody, even the fans watching at home. You darn right, Kane's a monster.
I don't remember the last time he executed that maneuver.
It looks like we're going to see what kind of pain they can inflict out here on the floor.
I've always felt when Kane's music plays and you hear that organ, it's like a warning. Everyone should just play it safe and run. Kane had so many looks and monikers over the years, but one thing has remained a constant: Kane's desire to destroy. Believe me, the WWE audience has witnessed enough of Kane's work to know that.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. Come on! Now he just wants to add insult to injury.
Yeah, this guy's got a mean streak.
This may be turning into a brawl, King.
Yeah, just don't bring it over here.
And there's another smack.
Oh, what devastation. You can't get up from that, can you? I don't even want to think about what a third time will sound like.
Oh, a huge power bomb right on the kidney area. King, once you get outside the ring, anything can happen.
Yeah, and it usually does. Over the years, I've seen more careers come to an abrupt end outside of the ring than I can remember. This area is so dangerous.
He's endured heavy blows here. I don't know how much longer he can go. The referee may have to call this match, King.
Oh, my God, this is awful. I'm going to tell you something. Whenever you get hit like that, for the next 15 minutes, everybody you see has an exact twin.
He's simply reminding him that he's here. This guy can go toe-to-toe with anybody.
Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you can find yourself in a world of hurt.
Kane sees the opportunity to go high.
This guy's just getting worn out.
And the taunting continues.
The offense of Kane is working well right now.
On the claw by Kane.
Shades of Fritz.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Kick back, relax, and enjoy your Monday night with some great
Whoa! Would you look at this? Can you believe it? This is an undying will to succeed.
Kane making a statement as we speak. He'll be feeling the effects of that for a while. You're watching Raw. For more than 20 years, the premier program in all of sports entertainment. He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I can't blame him. Keep it in the ring. Oh, this isn't over yet. Look at him go. Whoa, check this out. He might have been down, but not out. We've seen this before. Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
Kane with a slick reversal.
Oh, I think I see. Yep, he's been busted open. Hey, one more time just in case you missed it. 1, 2. You cannot teach the type of tenacity that we're witnessing here. This is unreal. I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
He's setting up.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Oh, man, crashing and burning.
It looked like his whole neck just crumbled there. Maneuvers like that put everybody in danger.
No kidding, that's awful.
He's sending a message to the entire...
Oh, nice counter.
Just look at this. I don't know how we can continue having a match under these circumstances. This is like a street beating.
Well, that messed him all right.
Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot.
The big red monster gets out of the way of that one.
You know, he can really move that big frame quickly.
He may be trying to systematically chop his opponent down, starting at the... Folks, if you want to learn about Raw's most tumultuous period, be sure to check out the Monday Night War on WWE Network.
He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now.
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
Oh, look out. All right, now that's...
And again, he gets struck with that object.
I don't think there's any lengths that these superstars won't go to achieve victory here tonight.
What an attack. Take it from me, there's never a good place or a good time to get hit. WWE's not like other sports where you call a timeout after a major hit. The match goes on.
And he gets out of the way. Submission locked in tight. This could do it.
There's no escaping this.
Here is Kane wreaking havoc.
Watch it.
And he powers out.
A huge reversal by Kane. Nowhere to go. Oh, he's going to have to block out the pain if he hopes to escape this. Wait a minute.
Refusing to give in there. What sheer determination.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
Not this.
He's looking at it again.
Oh, his body has to be broken right now. Look at this.
How will these guys do with absorbing the punishment they're about to receive out here?
Now that is just dangerous.
No kidding. Oh, look at the emotion.
You're watching Raw. For more than 20 years, the premier program in all of sports entertainment.
Well, we're on the move here.
Out here, King, you can use this whole ringside area as a weapon.
Oh, yeah. Everything from the floor to the barricades can and will be used to inflict pain. Big trouble for Kane. Whoa!
And he fights his way out.
He's inflicting some serious pain here.
Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Nice reversal there.
That may be the first time we've seen that executed.
Look out for Kane.
There it is. Well done. Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation.
Can he score the pin?
1, 2.
And the shoulders up, it's only 2. My God, what's it gonna take?
I don't know, I can't believe this, Michael. You know, it's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in his tank.
Now, why did he do that? A move like that's low. It's appalling, if you ask me. Totally disrespectful.
Well, when he sees the belt, he likes to hit below it.
Nothing fancy from him there. That was all raw power.
Nothing like a great body slam. Classic.
And there's the reversal.
There's the sidewalk slam.
Could this be it?
I think so. Man, this guy just refuses to quit.
Yeah, never say die attitude out of him.
Just when you thought it was over. Wow.
Oh, and he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The freeze may give him a cold. He's pulling out all the stops tonight. But he warm up the MRI machine. That shoulder looks damaged.
This is it. Here he goes.
Here he goes for the win.
Let's do this.
2.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up.
You witness this type of physicality and wonder, if it looks this bad on the outside, how much worse is it on the inside?
Hey, from the top rope. He was able to reverse that.
He gets out of trouble there.
Folks, if you want to learn about Raw's most tumultuous period, be sure to check out the Monday Night War on WWE Network.
Kane is really going to town right now.
Will it be?
1.
Wow, I can't believe he had the energy to kick out of that.
How does he keep doing this?
I don't believe it. He refuses to lose.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Well, that's a strategy you have to always have in the back of your head, Cole. If you ever see a weakness in your opponent, you got to jump on it.
All this action outside the ring. Real dangerous out here. There's no telling what's going to happen here.
I believe that is the first time tonight we've seen that move.
Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
Whoa, that was some reversal by Kane.
He's in full-on attack mode now.
He anticipated that move perfectly.
Oh, they couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael. And he's toast.
I'm having a hard time.
Watch it.
What strength, fighting his way out.
Oh my God, I can't believe what we've seen thus far. What can possibly happen next?
Look at this. Out of the way, Michael.
King, our announce table's been destroyed.
Our table? How about the guys that just went through it?
It looks like we're going to see what kind of pain they can inflict out here on the floor.
What a brutal beating we've seen dished out so far here tonight.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King, but I still don't see him giving up.
Oh, man, steel chair being used as a weapon.
Whoa, get out of the way. When an opponent launches an attack like that, it lets you know they're pulling out all the stops.
When this guy's on, look out. And Kane manages to reverse out of that one.
Oh, man, that's it. Did you hear that? I'm just glad I didn't feel it.
Can he score the pin? One. I can't believe that was only two. How did he kick out of that one? How?
I don't know. What does it take to keep him down? Wow, what a display of heart and determination.
Oh, and he gets cracked again with that steel chair.
Oh, his body has to be broken right now.
Going all the way up.
Oh, that's a long way up. Look at this hang time, Cole.
Incredible. I got to tell you, these guys are in the best shape I've ever seen them in.
Nice reversal.
That's a first. What a move. Definitely sets a tone for the evening.
He's got it locked in. This could do it.
This is not the position you want to be in.
Unbelievable. This singles match is over.
Here's your winner, Kane.
Huge victory tonight for Kane.
Michael, I cannot speak from experience, but I imagine that your pride definitely takes a hit when you're forced to tap out.
And that's the kind of action we've come to expect here on Raw. What an amazing match.